Hi everybody, this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost. Today I just wanted to show you guys one of the very first books that I ever made years back, and it was this one, and I just love it. I can't let go of it. I've had so many people at shows that actually wanted this book, and I won't give it to them. I don't even care how much they offer me. It was one of the first ones I made, and I just love it. It's one of my favorites. But it was made out of these napkins that I had. And I just sewn around it. And I put the corners on. And I did the buttons on the spine. And this is 3 signatures. And I think it was made out of like a little square box of some sort. I mean, it's been a while. I don't even remember. I'm sure it was. But this is just... And I love these feathers on a clip. I've made a few of these, and I just thought that looked amazing on that book. So anyway, I'll do a flip through for you. Maybe it'll help inspire and give you some ideas. I have a cutout that I actually can make these little windows. And so I just love those. And then I did use some designer craft paper on the inside. And this is one of my favorites. I don't remember the name, but it's kind of like a vintage. And so I made a little pocket there. And then I had a bunch of these little, this book belongs to cards. And that's the decorative paper back there. So I made a little pocket there. And then just sewn in some other stampings and stuff I did. That's washi tape, a little button, another tag, and then I had these little neat cards that I just turned it into a pocket, and another tag, and do a lot of embossing with the Tim Holtz Vagabond machine. I absolutely love. And so I made some more little pockets, and then this was a bookmark that I made, and I just stuck it in there in between this little belly band. And then again, these little window things are pretty cool. And then I just decorated with some lace and washi tape, and like I said, it was one of my first journals that I ever did. And I just love it too much. And I usually keep it around as a show and tell for people that want to see some of the things that I've made. And so some of the pages I thought were really cute that I did, now that I look back on it. And then some more little tucks and little envelopes, more washi tape. Some stamping. I made a lot of these little pockets, and another tag, another tag. So yeah, I think there's 3, did I say 3 signatures in here? And then I got these little magnets that I really like. Kind of brings some decorative appeal. And then the page decorating tool that I have. I like to design my pages with that. And another one that I did here. And then this is a little card that I made. You can journal on there. And some lace. More embossing cards. Stickers, whatever I could find. Again, this was from my very beginnings, so I didn't have a lot of stuff back then to make different things with, so I had to get creative, because I just didn't have all this that I have today. This was a little envelope that I made. Let's see what's in here. I haven't looked at this book in a long time. Another little card. So it's fun to keep your stuff and you put it up and then get it back out again. You've seen how much you've grown, or you get fresh ideas of things that you already did that you forgot about, which is why I like keeping at least one sample of something I've made on hand. Otherwise, I will forget. So I don't even know what was in these little tuck spots here, or these envelopes. Looks like little cards. Another little card. So my style has changed a little bit. I just, you know, as you keep doing it and keep doing it, sometimes you just get into different styles and you get stuck in a rut. But yeah, I really liked this book. It was one of my faves, and I love this feather. And one day I'm going to sit down and make a bunch of these because I just love them. I think they look beautiful. Okay, guys, I hope you can get some ideas from this, and I hope you enjoyed looking through one of my beginning books. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.